My name is Lisa, and I am the owner and artist at Sweet and Sassy Treasures. I would like to welcome you to episode 10 in my mixed media tile series. This video was recorded live and it was edited from that format. As always, I start with a 5x7 wood gallery blank and I cover it with a thin coat of embossing medium, followed by a layer of white paint so that the colors on my rice paper remain vivid. Once that's dry, I apply my rice paper with decoupage medium. This beautiful little girl is an image designed by Andy Skinner for Decoupage Queen rice paper, and it is cut from an A3 4-pack, which makes this image A5, which is perfect for a 5x7 tile. After sanding off any excess paper, I apply a coat of top coat to protect my surface from future steps. I'm using two different stencils with this tile. The first one is called Chateau Bloom, and that's by Diva Dezigns. And the second one I'm calling Sentimentality, and that is by Snip Art. For the first stencil, I'm going in with a darker color. It's called Carbon by Paint Couture. And then I'm doing a second coat where I'm shifting the stencil just a little bit so I get a shadow from that darker color. I'm using angel eyes that I've mixed a little bit of white paint into so I could create almost an ombre with that color. After each stencil layer, with the exception of the wording, I'm using a baby wipe to mute the edges and tone down the paint colors. That makes it look like the surface of the tile has been worn. After that dries, I'm using the Sentimentality stencil with white paint, varying the direction of the wording, and I love the interest that that gives to the overall look of the tile. These products and all the products used in this week's tile can be found in the description below. To finish the tile, I'm painting the sides with pitch black chalk style paint, and I'm dragging some of that paint onto the surface of the tile. I'll use a baby wipe to blend that black paint into the top edges, and it gives it somewhat of a vignette look. If you enjoyed this video, I would so appreciate a thumbs up. And if you subscribe and ring the bell. You will be notified when new content is published. Thank you so much for watching.